Banking has moved away from where we used to be in terms of branches to being digital. I think the future looks more and more digital and frictionless. Many times in banking, we end up confusing friction with digital. We tend to feel anything that is digital will not be friction. But what truly customers need is predictability and answers to their questions all at the right time. And I think banking with use of LLM, AI is going to remove that friction of having to talk to people and in real time answer multiple questions, queries that consumers have. So giving every consumer a real time 24/7 banker in their phone. The reason why we still feel friction is because everywhere else is less friction, not because necessarily the banks are still very, very old, and regulations and a regulatory environment will always keep them slow. The biggest bottleneck still today is clearly identifying a person and establishing that this is, for example, Ankit Ratan who's coming online. It is being solved through two things. One is facial biometrics and the second is national ID programs. So like in Singapore, we have SingPass, in India we have Aadhaar. So I think we are very close to solving the identity problem in a very holistic way, and I'm very confident that in the next 5 years we will not see identity as the friction layer in banking. The communication layer in banking is extremely broken. Like look at messages from Grab and look at messages from your bank. The messages from bank seem to be very rude and very in your face, versus Grab or other apps have these quirky, friendly messages. So I think thanks to LLMs, banks will be able to solve that problem. I think their communication layer will be able to be very personalized. End customers many times come from different nationality. Somebody's a Gen Z, somebody's 60-year-old. They need different kind of communication. LLMs do a great job of converting a core message into a Gen Z message or a 60-year senior message, which LLMs will do. So it will take away the bank's problem of retraining communication staff, call centers, etc. And on data and documents, I think GenAI will remove the operational bottleneck where some document or data needs to go to back office for verification. They'll do that in real time. Many times we tend to think of GenAI as a tool, which is totally fair. It is a tool, but banks and other organizations are missing the fact that it is an opportunity to reorganize processes. So whoever actually starts to rethink from GenAI first reprocessing, I think they will win. And the process innovation, even though not many times seen as important, will become the most critical game changer when GenAI is available as an affordable tool.